This starts with a question about how we do things in Washington. How would we go about getting an amendment requiring any bills to be no more than 25 pages long, one-sided, on one piece of paper, 12 type size?
Yes.
How great is that?
You know, the powers that are in Washington have made it very difficult to amend the Constitution. There are a couple of technical ways to amend it. The Congress can send an amendment around to the states that would require 2/3 of the Congress and 3/4 of the states. But Congress will never send an amendment around that limits its own power. The other way is for the states to call for a constitutional convention, and the convention then to send an amendment around and 3/4 of the states to enact that. Now, reducing the size of legislation and requiring that it be read is of profound interest and profound good. It would be a lot better if we enacted term limits to get these bums out.
Yes. And it looks like this is from Linda, who asks, when people say that the Declaration of Independence isn't law, how do you respond, Judge?
It was the first piece of legislation enacted by the Congress. If you look at the U.S. Code, which is about the size of 7 or 8 sets of Encyclopedia Britannicas, and you read the very first law, it is the Declaration of Independence, which says, when the government fails to protect the natural rights of the people, it is their duty to alter and abolish it. That's the law of the land that everyone has taken an oath to uphold. So go to Volume 1, Page 1. The Declaration of Independence is there.
All right, last one for the judge here. Would you suggest repealing the 17th Amendment, reforming it, or nudging it?
I would get rid of the 17th Amendment and the 16th Amendment. The 16th Amendment allows the government to pick your pocket, to steal your property in the form of income tax. The 17th Amendment allows the people to elect senators popularly. They shouldn't. Think of this. When the country was formed, the people were at the table through the House of Representatives. The states were at the table through the United States Senate. The country as a whole was at the table through the President of the United States. When the 17th Amendment was enacted and the people sent senators rather than state legislatures sending senators, the states lost their voices. That's when the federal government began to steal power from the states. When state legislatures sent senators to the Senate, that didn't happen.
Fantastic. Okay. We're going to say thank you to Judge now. He's got to catch a plane. Judge Andrew
Thank you,
Napolitano.
everybody. God bless you. Thank you.